Friends, as you know, gram dal contains plenty of protein and many other nutrients which are very beneficial for our body. In this post today, we will tell you about the benefits of eating empty stomach wheat gram every day. 1. To remove the weakness of the body daily, taking raw gram every morning will weaken your body's weakness forever. 2. If you also want to remove the digestive problems of the body, then you should eat raw bowl in the empty stomach in the morning. It eliminates all the problems related to your stomach. 3. Hard and weak people who want to increase their weight. Those people should consume raw gram in the morning every morning. This increases their weight quickly. 4. Every day, our bones and teeth are healthy and strong for consuming raw gram in the morning. Friends, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. And if you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.